Hey guys, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude. I'm at another Walmart in Edmonton because we've got lots of them here, but this one only has a load of the new Tyrannosaurus Rex, Stomp and Escape, and it comes with the capture gear, all that jazz. It's cool, it's got rubber teeth too, so there's no scuffing going on with that, and cool stomping action or whatever. So yeah, lots of that, nothing else sadly, just the wild pack assortment. So they got the Herrerasaurus, Rex, and the Zuniceratops, but they don't have the Dimorphodon. That's one I haven't really seen lately. It seems like for most lineups, the Dimorphodon always ends up just being like less abundant. But yeah, no, it's been a while since I've seen the Dimorphodon. So we got those guys. Looks like there was or might be dino damage figures coming out. Yeah, it's just there, from the past. And then there's Soundstrike. I think that's it. Yeah, just those. Oh, Toho Monster. Okay, there's, I think there's a, what's the one called? It's like, I don't know, there's this dinosaur looking one coming out, I think, and that'd be cool to pick up. So anyways, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this toy hunt, and I'll see you all in the next video. Ciao.